Hello and welcome guys to Tech Vikings. In this tutorial I will show you how to download and install IntelliJ IDEA for Java developers and installing also the JDK. So let's get started. First thing, we will go to the official website for IntelliJ. We will go to the official website, first one, and here we will download the IDE. Download IntelliJ IDEA. I'll click here on download. Download. I already installed or I already downloaded this, so for me I will go to downloads and install this .exe file. Okay, we will click on next. Here you can choose another place, another drive to download the IDE. I'll keep it as it is. Create desktop shortcut, yes. Here I recommend to click on these. I can click on all of these and next. Also install. Okay, installation has been finished. I will run IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, from here, new project. And I will name the project. Here, JDK. For me, I already installed JDK. I have JDK in my device. But if you don't have JDK, which stands for Java Development Kit, you have to download from here. Download JDK. Here you choose the version. If you want older version, you can choose an older version. Also the vendor, you will stay with the default, and the location. Okay, select and create. Now it will install the JDK. Start installing JDK. The JDK is very important it's very important for developing using Java. Okay, JDK downloading finished. I'll close this and let's try to run this. Now installing the plugin. Okay, Okay, now I will try to click on the run icon. Now it should give hello and welcome here. Print hello and welcome, and for loop printing from 1 to 5. So our application bringing me to this tutorial. Thank you guys, and see you in another video.